Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining how much storage you need and why. Archive, active files, or backups. Once done, compare providers by price per GB, data egress fees, and uptime SLA. This guides total cost. Make sure to have your identity documents, payment card, and a phone for 2FA ready. You should also check supported regions and compliance options so you pick a provider with the right legal and latency profile for your workload. You now pick a concrete plan, choose hot storage for frequent access or cold/tape for long-term archiving, and add lifecycle rules to move objects automatically. Next, configure region and access control, create IAM roles and least privilege policies so only needed accounts access data. Enable encryption at rest and in transit. Finally, run a cost estimate that includes egress, request charges, and retrieval penalties. You finalize the purchase by confirming SKU billing cycle and applying any promo codes or credits. Once provisioned, run an upload and download test with sample files to verify throughput, permissions, and checksum integrity. Make sure your backup and lifecycle jobs run as expected. If something goes wrong, check IAM policies first, then network firewall and DNS settings, and lastly, the provider status page. These steps fix most common provisioning or access failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.